Hi, my name is Mary and I post easy-to-follow daily tasks that you can do to start your freelancing journey. Usually before 3 p.m. na kapag post na ako pero dahil nga may problema with client kagabi at kung gusto nyo malaman kung ano nangyari, check nyo na lang yung previous post ko. So anyway, kung handa ka na, this is task number 7. Isa ka ba doon sa mga nagko-comment palagi sa akin na gusto ko sana maging virtual assistant pero hindi ako magaling sa English? Great news! Ako din. A lot of us are struggling because hindi tayo ganun ka-confident when it comes to speaking English or pakikipag-usap sa client. And so, in short, ang nangyayari, interview pa lang, ligwak na tayo. Yes, that also includes me kasi as you might have noticed, although confident akong mag-deliver, hindi ako ganun kagaling when it comes to grammar and all that. There are so many ways to address this. Depende sa learning style nyo, you can actually learn via YouTube, pwede makinig sa podcast, but ang pinakang challenge sa akin is kinesthetic learner ako. So unless I apply it, I will not really learn it. On this video, well, series, kasi for sure hindi na makakasya sa 3 minutes to, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano nga ba yung ginagawa ko ngayon para gumaling ako mag-English. Mga techniques para kahit na hindi ka ganun ka-perfect sa grammar, napapractice mo, and at the same time, nai-apply mo kung ano yung natututunan mo. Simulan natin dito sa newly discovered ko na app. Malamang nakita nyo na yung mga video nung nasa personal learning network ko. Ay, na-try na nila, pero tayo sabay-sabay natin pag-aralan. Kasi nga, holiday. Love you, Jam. So anyway, ganito. Ang first natin na gagawin is, number 1, mag-register kayo para sa Saturday. Next Saturday, meron silang free na training. All you have to do is click the link in my bio. Click nyo yung free language training. You will then be taken to this website. All you have to do is click on register. Inuulit ko, libre to, magre-register lang kayo. This is a session on how to speak confidently by Matt Sussman at siya mismo yung magtuturo sa inyo. He will actually teach us the basics of English conversation, which I love. Sa Sabado to, 10 a.m., so pasok na pasok sa panlasang Pinoy. Matt's goal is to help non-native speakers and achieve English fluency. Whether you're going to use it for academics or you're going to use it for your career. Anyway, hindi ko na kayo masyadong bubuduli pa dahil alam kong super magandang budol to. You have to register now because they have limited spots and I think taken na yung 20 or 30 spots there. Again, this is on Saturday, January 14th at 10 a.m. Manila time. For you to join, all you have to do is click the link in my bio, click yung basic language training, and then click on register. Super dali, diba? Okay, don't forget, I want you to document your journey and tag me and use the hashtag freelancer na me this 2023. I'll see you on the next video.